Blue, you know that's not your food, right? Dominic's got his food. Coco's got his food. Minis are actually in the back tonight. Buck already finished eating because he starts hours before everybody else. Blue, I know you already stole half of Buck's food too. You old dog. I don't know how much longer we're gonna have her. She has a lot of edema on her udders. She's about 13 years old, which is old for a goat. She's still fat. Everyone thinks she's pregnant, but she's not. She's just little and squatty. We won't judge you, Blue. Boo-boo. She's not doing the best, but we're keeping an eye. Boo-boo. What are you doing, Blue? Silly girl. You silly girl. I've had her and Shiva for, oh God, I think over a decade now. So they're getting old. And they're my last two remaining goats. So if I continue goats after that, it'll be a different adventure. But I can tell she's not right. So don't know how long. Huh, Boo? Mommy's watching you. Huh, Boo. He's my Boo. He is a little blue. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Sort of, kind of, half the time. Yes. Yes, Blue. She's like, I'm in a room, lady. All right. Did you get your fill of the horse feed before I take it out to the old girls? Yeah, the old girls need all the yum-yums. I hear you, Tuxie. There's Tux on the feed box. Tuxie. Hi, buddy. You go get your canned food. Yeah, you know you get canned food every night. My last remaining barn cat. Tuxie. He's really cute. All right. Goodbye, Boo-boo. Oh, Chiva showed up. Hi, Chiva. All right, say goodnight, Boo-boo. Chiva. All right. Love you. Bye-bye.